Okay, this last problem says a combination lock is opened with the correct sequence of 3 numbers between 1 and 58 inclusive. A number can be used more than once. What is the probability of guessing those numbers and opening the lock on the first try? So one thing I want to point out to you is it asks, what is the probability? So we know our final answer either should be a decimals, fraction, or percent. I think it wants a fraction in this case. So how many correct combinations are there? There's only one correct combination to any lock, but we need to know, what is this denominator? How many possible combinations are there? Well, when we think about it, we have 3 different numbers they put in. Whoa, that's a little aggressive. So there's 3 separate numbers, right? So how many choices do we have for the first one? Well, we need to pick a number 1 through 58. So there's 58 possible choices for the first combination. Then times, how about the second one? Well, there are 58 numbers I can choose for the second part. Finally, 58 for the third. So this is the same thing as 58 to the third power. So let's take a look. We're going to do 58 raised to the third power, which gives us 195,112. So this is 195,112. Let me double check. 195,112. We got that right. Okay, so this is the total possible combinations, right? So our probability over here to answer our final question, the probability of guessing correctly is 195,112. It's 1 out of that, right? Because there's only one possible combination out of, this is the total number possible.